What's up, guys? So I have always loved beautiful knives, and in that regard I have two new knives that I ordered online and in front of me. So let's check them out and let's see which one is better, and maybe you will like one too. Let's start with this one. They're not super expensive, so don't come hoping that they will be very expensive. So this is the first one. Looks beautiful, honestly. Now this is the second one. This is a bit larger. This is a bit smaller. And this is the second one. Aren't they beautiful? Both of these look beautiful. This is a tiny one, very pocket friendly. This is in case you need a larger one, and it is obviously more utilitarian. So let's start with this one. Feels very solid, made of full metal, and design wise it is jet black. Feels really nice. There is a clip to probably to hang it with your belt, I think, or something like that. And yeah, very simple function. Looks really nice, beautiful, shiny little. And then the black and this stainless steel shade, it gives it really nice feel. And overall I really like it. And let's try the other one. This is heavy. Like, it is again made of full metal, and you actually feel the weight of the metal. So it gives you a premium, heavier look, and it is more utilitarian in the sense that not only this one is more strong, it's larger. It also has this bottle opener that you can use to open bottles, and this screwdriver, you can use this part as a screwdriver. So it is more utilitarian, a larger one, probably good for camping. You also have a belt clip, and again the weight gives it really premium feeling. Opening and closing is really satisfactory. Let's cut something with each of these. Let me cut. So I have ordered these cameras. Let's try to cut them. See, so overall the cut is also really nice. Okay, let's try the other one too. Nice. So these are the two knives. I mean, there is nothing else for me to explain it to you. I just love them. It's not like that I can tell you about the metal details or anything, but I feel like I just like them when I looked them online. I didn't even need them, to be honest. I just looked at them, liked them, ordered them, got them. So it's like that. This one is really sharp, and you should be careful with this one. This one is really sharp. I almost cut myself. But take your pick. Smaller one, utilitarian. This one for camping and other things. Again, looks and feels really good. Both have their own grip. This one, for me, it's a little smaller because I have a bit larger hands. But this one feels really good in the hand. Like, if you look into how I hold it into my grip, this finger, index finger, really lands into this spot. Then three fingers come here. So it feels really good to the grip as compared to this one. So if you are someone who really makes use of the knives, then I would suggest buying this one. This one feels more premium. It is sharper, easier to hold, and not something that you can easily break. If you are just someone who occasionally use it or use it for some minor things, then go with this one. It's a lighter one, smaller, less sharp, and good for small hands as well. Oh, really sharp and pointy as well. I almost it's giving me worry that I am going to cut myself. So, but overall, these were the few two knives I found online. I hope you guys like them, and maybe you guys will order one of these yourself. Either way, let me know about your feedback.